channel, guys. Are you excited? Oh, this is the queen of this unboxing is this palette. Really do like this a lot. I'm so happy that I bought this. Now that I have prepped my skin and I have put on my foundation, we are going to start with the Douglas makeup palette, which I bought a few days ago. And if you have not seen the video, I am going to put a link above for you to see it afterwards. I'm going to start with my eyebrows, and I just wanted to like fix that a little bit. And brush it gently. Maybe harsh for you to watch it, but actually I'm just brushing it really very gently. Normally in Germany, guys, if we were celebrating Christmas, it is the time for your family to get along together. And me and my husband is either celebrating Christmas, just the two of us, or with his family, depending on the circumstances. At the moment, we are still under COVID, and the German government are doing some additional restriction about COVID. We are not allowed to make party together. Because of that, we are just going to spend time together, me and my husband, without the family. Now I'm using Catrice camouflage cream just to clean the edge of my eyebrows, and once I'm done with that, I'm also gonna cover my eyelid. I'm gonna proceed with a lighter color, and for that one I will be using I love putting highlighter on top of the eyelid just to brighten it a little bit. I'm already okay with that. Of course, we're not done yet. There's plenty of things to do still. And let's see, what is the best color for Christmas? Now I'm gonna go for like this yellow green, like olive with some glitter, and I will put that here. Have a closer look. So you could see definitely the glitters, guys. I'm gonna go for something brownish, but on this side, just tap it. And I want to clean the brush very gently. I'm kind of whirling the brush on my eyelid. Now that I have that, I wanted to proceed with this dark olive green color and put it on top of like the dark brown color, which I already had. Like on Christmas, normally it's just me and my husband. We're spending time with his family here, which we cannot do during pandemic at the moment. Therefore, we are going to celebrate alone. And normally, we just get dressed and change clothings. Exchanging of gifts is one of the most exciting part. We do it normally around 6 o'clock in the evening. That is the traditional moment here in Germany at 6 o'clock in the evening, especially if you have children. They're no longer allowed to pass the living room because usually the tree is decorated at the 24th of December, and children are no longer allowed to get in the living room until they're about to open their gift at 6 o'clock in the evening. And they are allowed to enter the living room and open their gifts, and the parents or grandparents will ask them to like speak a poem or sing like something like to do like presentation, but it's in a funny way. And once they have done that, especially the children, they're excited because they're allowed to open their gifts. But me and my husband do not have children, so I think I have mentioned it in my previous blog that I don't really celebrate Christmas, and for that reason I don't put up Christmas tree. However, for the sake of my husband, I am participating in Christmas gifts. I have to learn it somehow because I never knew about it in my childhood. We are Christian, but we don't celebrate Christmas in my family. In the Philippines, only New Year. So I am actually already good with that. I don't want to exaggerate it, but I think I wanted to have a little bit of brown, really light brown. Here, I'm gonna use the eye pencil, this one, to add a little bit depth. Nice. Here. Now, you don't have to do it the same way as I did, because each individual have different types of eye shape. So you gotta do it according to your eye shape. I really wanted to use this, what do you call this? Highlighter, golden highlighter. I am simply not so harsh with the color because the brush itself do have some color from, like, while I was applying eyeshadow color, but a lot of it are already like removed. Using a bigger brush, I am going to blend that. Using the highlighter brush, I'm gonna go on for like the darkest highlighter which they have on this palette. And now we're gonna do a little bit of like blush. I will use the coral orange pinkish color and simply just tap it on my cheek highlighter, which I've used on top of my nose and here. Okay, so let's proceed with the lips. Now I have the lip liner, and I just wanted to contour my lips. I'm gonna proceed with a red matte color. I wanted to spread it a little bit. Although some of the process may not be familiar for you, but I'm going to powder my face here, and so as on this area, just help me not to glitter so much or to be oily so much. Now, eventually the lipstick will fade as you are eating, and so I think that is the only makeup which you have to retouch after the entire day. And then I'm going to finish that with gloss. And now I am ready to make party. Finish it with the mascara. And again, guys, I really have to lift my eyelid whenever I am applying mascara. I love the wand of this mascara, guys, because this is so thin and I think it's perfect for my eyes. I think the look is complete, guys, so I am pretty satisfied with this result. And again, I got this palette which I bought only for 24 euros and 99 cents from Douglas. I am loving it, and for sure I will be making a lot of look using this palette. And let me just show you a little bit of it. Look at that. You could extend it, and all of it are lip gloss at the bottom and there and that area. And so as the upper portion of it is basically eyeshadow. Oops. And then if you've missed the unboxing, and this is the highlighter, on top of it is the rouge of the blush, mascara with one matte lipstick and lip gloss, lip liner, and some applicator. I'm so loving this. So this now, what you are seeing today, is basically my simple Christmas look. So let me know what you think of it. I am very curious to hear if you do like it, or do you have some opinion about this makeup which I have shown you today. So feel free to leave your comment down below, or you might want to just say hi and hello. I would love to read those comments, and for sure you're gonna hear some feedback from me. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do subscribe to my channel, like this video, and click that notification bell so you will be notified whenever I uploaded new videos. Until then, you guys, have a great day. Bye bye.